Hello family! Welcome to 60 seconds of our day as a Filipino migrant family dito sa Sydney, Australia. Let's go, tara let's! Dumalaw kami sa Barong and Bastida dito sa Campbelltown, Southwest Sydney kasi need namin ng Filipiniana dress for Ate Blair's Harmony Day in school. Very friendly and accommodating yung mga staff nila dito kaya inasikaso kami even though the shop was busy and full of customers kasi nga yung Harmony Day is Friday na next week. Nag-try si Ate dyan ng dalawang outfits na pareho niyang nagustuhan. Madami silang fashionable barongs dito sa elegant Filipiniana dresses. After Barong and Bastida, nag-mall lang kami sandali to try some ice cream and also to get a new rubber shoes for Utoy. Mabilis kasi lumaki talaga yung paa niya so need na ulit niya ng new shoes pang gala. Pag uwi ng bahay nakatulog na si Utoy kasi mapagod siguro so nagkaroon kami ni Mami Bell ng chance mag-shoot ng content for a brand collab dito sa Australia. Konting ihaw-ihaw, konting tikim-tikim, okay na yan. Kumita ka na, nakapag-stay ka pa. Please follow us for more family good vibes. Thank you for watching.